Gentle and effective care made easy with sonic technology that removes up to 7x more plaque versus a manual toothbrush. Protect your teeth and gums with a pressure sensor that gently pulses to alert you when you're brushing too hard. Always know when to replace your brush head for an effective clean with the brush head replacement reminder. 2-minute timer with QuadPacer helps ensure dental professional recommended brushing time and a consistent clean throughout your mouth. Long-lasting 14-day battery life. Battery indicator light lets you know when to recharge. The Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean, with unique sonic technology, sweeps away plaque, giving you an amazingly effective, yet gentle clean. Our built-in pressure sensor lets you know if you're brushing too hard, to help protect your teeth and gums. Brush Sync tracks how long you've been using your brush head for, and how hard you've been brushing. And when it's time to replace it, a light on your handle lets you know. Safe brushing experience. Our sonic technology is suitable for use with braces, fillings, crowns, and veneers, and helps prevent cavities and improve gum health. Say goodbye to plaque. Densely packed, high-quality bristles remove up to 7x more plaque than a manual. And the specially curved power tip makes reaching the teeth at the back of your mouth a breeze. Safe and gentle. You can be sure of a safe brushing experience. Our sonic technology is suitable for use with braces, fillings, crowns, and veneers, and helps prevent cavities and improve gum health. The only true sonic technology. Enhancing our sonic technology, they give you unrivaled cleaning. High-speed vibrations in your toothbrush handle power up to 31,000 brush strokes per minute that whip up your toothpaste into plaque-fighting bubbles, driving them deep between your teeth and along the gum line for exceptional cleaning. Too much pressure? You may not notice if you're brushing too hard, but your toothbrush will. If you start taking it out on your gums, the toothbrush will make a pulsing sound as a reminder to ease off on the pressure. Brush Sync replacement reminder. All brush heads wear out over time. But our Brush Sync technology tracks how long you've been using your brush head for, and how hard you've been brushing. When it's time to replace it, a light on your handle and a short beep will let you know. Easy Start program. Starting something new can take getting used to. That's why our Easy Start program gives you the option of a gradual, gentle increase in brushing power the first 14 times you use your new toothbrush. Helpful timers.